Hey, quick update on access to www and the apex or at Surfey. This is now mapped to Surfey public. So this bucket, and I did this through Cloudflare workers, so I'm going to show that really quick. Barto, I've added you as an administrator, so go ahead and accept that. Make sure you can log in. And you will see under websites, Surfey Me. This is where we modified this stuff, and under DNS you're going to see C names for the apex, which is I don't know why it keeps showing Surfey Me here. I think that's just how it flattens it, because I used the root and then it flattened it. Anyway, all right. We have the root and the other thing, and they both have a C name to go.surfeyme, and go.surfey is GCS, Google hosted, which uses Cloud Run, and that's not actually true. This is where Cloud Run or Cloudflare gets a little funky. If you go to worker routes, anything that's these routes is now going to use this worker. And you've done JavaScript programming before, so this should be pretty simple to you. But if you look at this worker, click on edit, this is the script for the worker. You'll see that it goes to Google under the Surfey public bucket, and this is where we'll write the script or edit it that you can add headers or remove headers or whatever you need to do. But the way this works is it's just doing a fetch underneath and then returning the result, right? It has to be an asynchronous function. And you can see this works if you go to surfey.me with or without www. And that's going to load up whatever's in the bucket. And you can see the same thing work by going to blah, 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 storage APIs. Same thing. And if you look, if you want to look at the headers, you'll see that because it's just doing that URL get, it's returning, what would it be returning here? It's just doing a fetch, right, and returning that document. So whatever headers come back from Google Storage, right now it's just burping those up verbatim. And I think that's fine, because the static website is going to be, it's not going to require anything crazy except for the cores. So if we curl surfey me hello HTML, it's going to come back with HTTPS. Has the cache control in there. Let's see if there's any funny headers. So we're returning the content type, which is what we want. We probably want to remove things like accept ranges, because we're not going to support that unless Cloudflare does. So we would have to try some of those things, but I would lean towards not. Somebody else might have code for this. Anyway, just showing you where the code is to handle this. Remember, that's under worker routes, worker, and then workers and pages. So if we go, that's under the main thing. You go Surfey Me, and this is going to have worker routes, which pops up this, and you click on that, and it pops you out to worker route or workers, which are across the board. So you can, when you create these, this is because I have a paid Cloudflare account, and they can be reused across multiple domains and stuff. And all that stuff is in the storage bucket. And yeah, start putting stuff in the bucket and try to view it through the main URL, and let me know if it works. Something that I haven't done is I have it so it tries to load up index HTML, and I don't think this is going to work right. So you might have to edit the worker script, and or just for now, just go straight to the file you're interested in. Don't worry about that redirect, and we'll figure it out.